Hello everyone, welcome aboard. In this tutorial, you will learn how to utilize and make the most of your Shopney dashboard. Before we start, please note that we have detailed tutorials that cover each of these sections in detail. So if you have any further questions while we are on this tutorial, please also check our library and make sure you are on the correct tutorial that you want to learn more about. This will be a general information on how you can use the Shopney Design Editor and will give you main information about what is covered under each of these sections. Alright, so let's start. As you see on this top navigation bar, we have four main sections as the design, notification, chat, and integrations. This Shopney dashboard is where you'll spend your time the most about any of your mobile app related queries. And the design section is basically where you design your mobile app. It covers different subsections as you see here, the showcase, aka the homepage. We have the mobile app menu section. We have the branding section, the customization, deep links, and settings. Under the showcase section, which is where we are on now, you will have the design elements that you can use on your mobile app homepage. All these design elements are fully editable. You can customize it for your needs. And let me show you a demo and quickly drag and drop this image design element onto my central design area. As you build your app, you will be able to preview your changes on your desktop. So as you see, when I drag and drop the elements, it opens up a right menu where I can edit and update that specific design element that I just dropped. You have further options here for the specific design elements, from content types, from title to content title position, and even further settings such as content margin enablements, etc. As I said right at the beginning, for further details on how to utilize the showcase elements, please see the related tutorial for that. All right. Let me briefly inform you that for any of these changes, even when your mobile app is live, you can always come here, edit and update your showcase, click on save and update, and that's it. Let's delete this one for now and imagine that this was our design that we spend our time on. And before you go live, we want you to make sure that you preview your app, right? So as you build design elements, please make sure to preview your mobile app just like it is live on your own mobile devices. I'll be closing this one now, and I will move on with the menu section. As you see under the menu section, you have, just like under showcase, we have different menu elements that you can use on your mobile app. What's important here is to make sure the showcase element is always at the top, so your app is opened with your showcase design. As I scroll down, you will see that the menu is also linked to your collections and also your pages. So the thing is, the main data source of the app is your Shopify store. So as you add pages, blogs, or collections on your store, on your online store, as long as they are Shopney available, they will also end up here. So you can easily drag and drop your design elements on your menu and update your app update the existing live app. For after each change, yes, you need to click on Save and Update. Let's go up and cover the Quick Actions section now. So we know now that under Types, we have the different menu elements that you can use. But what about under Quick Action? Clicking on it, you will see you are able to add 2 quick actions at the bottom of your mobile app menu. This could be your WhatsApp number, your email address, or your Instagram account. And under the settings, you will have the menu style types that you want to go with. Is it the bottom bar menu or is it the left panel menu? Please make sure to test each of them and decide accordingly. Moving on with branding, this is basically where you upload your mobile app's logo. You decide on the colors of your mobile app. You can even see which color affects which screen on the mobile app as well. And also you can change the icons, let's say at the top navigation bar. Moving on with customization. So this is where you can further customize your collection and product pages. The showcase was to design your app homepage, but now you have further customization options to design your collection and product pages. What is important to mention here is that each of these mobile app themes you see are developed for different business models and product photography. So make sure to explore each of them and go with the one that suits your store, your brand the most. Right under that, we have the deep link section, where you can access the deep links of each of your products or even collections to be used on your mobile apps. So deep links are basically links that when anyone clicks on them, it takes them directly to the related content. So if it's your app, it will take them to App Store and Google Play to install your app. So it is a great mobile app marketing tool, and it's a free one for you. Moving on with the settings section, this is where you upload your app icon, your splash screen, where you decide on your app name, and also play further with these options. Once again, I'd like to remind that this gives just a general information. So for any of your detailed questions, please check our library and make sure you are on the correct content that gives further details about the section. Moving on with the notifications now. So this is where you will create your push notifications and send them. This screen will give you general data on how your push notifications are doing. Like you will be able to see the number of devices the push notification is sent to. You will have the number that how many of your app users are opened this push notification, and also the conversion rate from that related push notification. You have further sections here where you can see your sent notifications, your scheduled notifications, back in stock notifications, automated notifications, and further settings regarding your push notifications, such as editing the automated push notifications, editing the existing default text on the backend stock, and push opt-in messages. This all gives you opportunity to customize your mobile app to your own brand voice and build that community around your online store. Moving on with the chat section, with your Shopney mobile app, your app users will be able to contact you anytime via in-app chat. And once they do, all their messages will end up here. And you can, of course, definitely go on your Shopney dashboard and reply them back. But what you can even further do is integrating with some of our apps. In this chat case, that would be messaging apps, so you can actually ease your own work and manage all your conversations at one place. Under the integration section, not only messaging, but we have plenty of other third-party apps, great apps that we have partnered with. And as long as your one of these apps are available on your Shopify store, are as long as these apps are up and running on your store, you can just go on your Shopney dashboard, click on the integration, go into its own panel, and follow these very easy steps to enable the integration, and that's it. All right, so this is basically it's about the mobile app, the Shopney dashboard sections. Once again, we have prepared even further detailed guides for each of these sections. Please make sure to go through them. We have also our support library live. You can definitely check that as well. And of course, you can always contact us 24/7 via live chat, and we will be able to help out anytime.